Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Xamarin Form. In my last video, I have shown how to use buttons in Xamarin application. Today, I am going to show how to use images in your Xamarin project. Let's create a new page for discuss about images. Create a content page. I'll change the startup. These images. There are three ways you can display images in your project. First, local resource. You can keep your image on local resource folder of Android and iOS project. The disadvantages of this process is you have to maintain and copy all of your images, both Android and iOS project. Secondly, you can display image directly from web URL, but for that you have to access through internet connection. It may increase load time based on your internet speed. It can slow down your apps. It can take times to load images. The third way, we can use embedded resources in your main project. At first, I will show images with local approach. For that, we have to add images on local drawable folder. In Android application, you will find a drawable folder. Let's copy an image in this drawable folder. I'll copy this image. Okay. You have to create an image tag for display image and source logo.png. Okay, let's run this application. Okay, that's good. I will find the image. We can also set height and width. Let's run. Okay, it's cool. Also, we can display images from code behind page. For that, we have to give a name. Okay. Image source from file. Okay, let's run. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see another process. We can also display image using web URL. For that, we have to find a logo. Copy link address and just use source URL. I will just change this also. Okay, it's showing image from the web URL. And the third way, I will use embedded resources. For that I have to create an image resource extension. The class name image resource extension. Content property. Public string source. I will just copy this code. Okay, we need this extension which bind image from the current project and push to Android and iOS project. This extension takes the file path from the current project and convert file into an image and return to control. We have to take an image. I will create a folder images and I will put an image into this path. I'll put an image into this folder. At first, we have to change the image properties. Set build action. Set the build action as embedded resources. Okay. Then we have to ensure that we have access to our local project. Okay, I'll take another image tag and I will source image resource my Xamarin app dot images dot Xamarin dot png. Sorry. Okay, now let's run this application. Okay, it's displaying the image from embedded resources. So it's really useful if you want the same resolution and the same image across all your platforms and you don't want to maintain different copies of the same image. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.